found a creek that we could get into and do a little prospecting. Got Drew with me. Gold Bog stream sluices out. And a little gravel throne. As you can see, there's a lot of ice still. This is the only spot we found that we could shovel some gravel. Beautiful day on the beautiful cooking lake. You dug a hole, and I fell in it. See the material dancing around in there. Drew did find some gold. Not much, but there's not a lot visible right now to go in and prospect in, but did find some color. Yep, it's a beautiful day in Alaska. Got the barbecue out, gonna cook some dogs. Vanagon, nice and dirty again. Did a little gold prospecting. Life is good. Hot dogs for dinner. Yummy. Drew grilled up dogs.